Perfectly cooked chicken, tips and techniques.
Hello, and welcome to our video on how to perfectly cook a 4 ounces chicken breast. By following these guidelines, you'll ensure the chicken cooks evenly and maintains its appetizing appearance. In addition, it'll be juicy, tender, and packed with flavor.
What preparation steps are needed?
Before cooking, there are a few crucial steps to prepare your chicken breast. 1. Pound the chicken. Chicken breasts are not uniform in thickness. Pounding them to an even thickness ensures they cook evenly. Place the chicken breast in a sealable plastic bag or between 2 pieces of plastic wrap, and use a meat mallet or a heavy skillet to gently pound it to an even thickness. 2. Brine the chicken. Brining the chicken helps retain its moisture during cooking. For a simple brine, mix 1/4 cup of salt in 4 cups of water until dissolved. Add the chicken and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. 3. Dry the chicken. After brining, pat dry the chicken with paper towels. This will help you get a nice, golden sear on the chicken.
How should I cook the chicken?
Cooking method matters as well. Here's how you should go about it. 1. Preheat the pan. Start with a hot pan to get a good sear. Preheat your pan over medium heat before adding the chicken. 2. Cook the chicken. Add a touch of oil, then place your chicken breast in the pan. Cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, when checked with a meat thermometer. Remember, cooking times may vary based on the thickness of the breast and your stove. 3. Don't move the chicken around. To get a good sear, leave the chicken alone while it's cooking. Only flip it once when it's time to cook the other side.
What should I do after cooking?
After cooking, there's one last crucial step. Let it rest. After the chicken is cooked, let it rest for about 5 minutes before cutting into it. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the chicken, making it more moist and flavorful. And that's it. By following these steps, you can achieve a perfectly cooked, even, and appealing 4 ounces chicken breast every time. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy cooking!